Yeah, what's up guys, it's Johnny. Welcome to Johnny's Whips. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the battery terminal on your car. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get straight to it. First thing you're going to want to do is remove that negative terminal right there. This is going to be an aftermarket one. The OG Honda one, I believe, is going to be a 10 mil. I got my ratchet socket extension. Put it out the way somewhere safe. That's good for now. Then you got the positive one. So this is the one that I'm going to replace now because, I mean, just look at it. All right, here we are now. So we got the negative and the positive. Now that we have them both removed and the battery is disconnected, and then we have a new one here. And this is the one that I'm going to use to replace it. All right, so I'm just going to cut the wires, remove that, and then we'll get the wires on the new one, and we should be good to go. So, all right, check it out, guys. There it is. I got one done completely, and I just got to get that other one. So I couldn't do it. I got to do it like little by little because it seems like they're not sharp anymore. I'm going to need some new ones after this, but I had to go little by little, you know, cut it through. All right, there it is. I pretty much got both of them already done. We got the last few wires holding it together. Let's go ahead and just cut them together. I'm telling you, man, these... there it is. All right. That's the old one there. The new one. So we gotta loosen up 1, 2. That way it opens up the gap right here. All right, so now that I loosened them up, I got this able to open, like you can see there. So I gotta get both of these wires slid in there. I can't do it with one hand. Give me a moment. We'll get them slid in, tightened down, and I'll show you guys in just a moment. All right, there it is. I got the 2 wires locked in already. I was able to get those 2 bolts tightened down. Again, they're an 11 mil, and then you got this one here that's a 12 mil. And if you have a sound system, you're gonna have one of these right here for the amp, or 2, depending on how many amps you have. You know what I mean? All right, so let's go ahead and get this one removed. Slide this one right in. Oh man, come on. There it is. And then just get this tightened down right here. All right, there it is, guys. It should look something like this when you're all done. It looks nice and clean now. And just leave this here loose. Don't tighten this one because we still got to slide this over the positive terminal and then tighten it once it's ready. But at this point, we're ready to get the negative battery terminal. All right, so I got the negative one tightened. Let me tighten this down. All right, I think we're good. Yeah, there it is, guys. We're all done. Check it out. We went from this here to that there, man. It looks much better, doesn't it? Wouldn't you agree? All right, man. That's how easy it is to replace the battery terminals on your car. Follow the video, man, and it'll walk you through it step by step. It's pretty similar in most vehicles. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. Any comments, also let me know. I appreciate you guys watching Johnny's Whips. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.